So you want to learn how to get paid $15 to $30 just for answering questions? You do? Great. Well, stay tuned for today's episode. What's up, stackers? So today I'm going to show you how you can start making $15 to $30 just for answering questions. Now, if you're new here, I'm Paddy, and every single day I come out with multiple ways for you to start making money online. So don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. Also, if you want to learn how to create a full-time income right here online, then click that link in the description below to get my #1 recommendation. Now, the website I'm going to be showing you is called Just Answer. That's justanswer.co.uk, and there is a justanswer.com. So if we go over to the .com for a minute. Now, this is a website where people come to get their questions answered, and they actually pay you to do so. Just Answer will pay you in PayPal as well, so you do actually need a PayPal account to do this. So if we scroll down the website a little bit, we can see, so behind the screen, how it works. You answer a question, connect with someone in minutes, so that one person will be you, because you'll be answering questions, and then save time and money. Now if we scroll down to the bottom, we can go to how it works, and then we'll go to become an expert. So how does it work? You ask an expert. That expert can be a doctor, a lawyer, a mechanic, and more, and are ready to help you 24/7. So you name your price, save time and money, over in-person visits, 100% money back guaranteed, and talk one-on-one online. Get a response in about 7 minutes. Talk with your expert till satisfied. So you are actually going to be one of these experts. If you have a skill in a certain category, you can answer questions that people answer and just get paid for it. So if we go to Ask an Expert just here, wrong one, scroll up a little bit. So this is where you come to become an expert. So you can earn money by offering your services online, become an expert on Just Answer, and work when and where you want, doing what you do the best while helping people. So if we scroll down, now it also has a referral program. So if you know someone who would make a great expert, you can actually get a £40 or a $50 Amazon gift card for each person you refer. More details just here if you're interested in that. So offer your services when you want from wherever you want. Offer your services online. Join us in a mission to help people. With your expertise and easy to use platform, we make a difference together. Work when you want from anywhere. So once approved, you can set your own hours and work as little or as much as you want. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. So make money doing what you love. Top experts earn thousands of pounds or dollars each month helping customers solve everyday issues. Now, if you do want to sign up for this, just go to apply, and then you're going to have to go through the sign up process and the application process, because they want to know that you do actually have skills and are actually an expert in a certain category. If you have no skills or you are not an expert, then you really won't be able to do this. Okay, so now accepting applications. Apply in as little as 30 minutes, finish in one session, or start now and finish later. You can save your application at any time. Now this just tells you what you are actually going to need. So step 1, you would select your category. Start by finding and selecting your category. Apply to as many categories as you like. Submit your information, so you have to upload a CV or enter your personal information, work history and education. Submit expert credentials, so requirements vary by category. State start the application to learn more. So ready to apply, you'll need expert verification, personal identification so they can actually prove who you are, and a resume. Now if we scroll down, you can see all these different categories. So I'm sure you do actually have a skill in something, and that can be any category you want. So like as it says here, offer your services in one or more of our 160 categories. 160. So you can do appraisals, electronics. So if we just open electronics, camera and video, cash registers, phone system, projectors. I mean, there's got to be something here that you do have a skill in. I'm presuming everyone actually has a skill or are an expert in something, but they don't actually realise that because it's just second nature to them. They know so much, but they don't realise they know so much, if you know what I mean. So even in home improvement, you've got appliances, plumbing, pool and spa, small engine. So if you're a mechanic as well, or know mechanics, you can answer people's mechanic questions and get paid to do so. Then we got the general just here. So if we see that, what's in? Did I just see general? Maybe not. Engineering, medical, vets, homework. See, homework. So let's just open that for a minute. So you got business, French, German, Latin, simple maths. See, I'm no good at maths, but I know simple maths. So I could potentially sign up to just answer simple math questions. So like I said, the categories are endless on here. There's so many. Car, heavy equipment, boat, marine, electronics and boat. Okay, there's general. Here's where I saw it. So let's open that for a minute. Clock repair, entertainment. How would you be an expert in entertainment? I've no idea. Etiquette, job, parenting, relationship, wedding, general, legal, tax, computer, internet. So on the computer and internet, so email, laptop. See, I know quite a lot about email. I am also an email marketer, so I could potentially sign up here and answer people's email questions. But as you can see, there is so many different categories that you can apply for or offer your knowledge in and answer people's questions and get paid to do so. Now if we scroll down a little bit more, you can see they've actually been seen on the New York Times, Yahoo, CNN, NBC. They've been around for quite a while, and Just Answer is an established company. Now you can actually go to a page as well, wrong one, I think it's this one. So ask an expert. As you can see here, these are top experts waiting to answer your general questions. And we have teacher, internet researcher. So I believe that knowledge is power. I believe that's completely wrong. Knowledge is not power at all. It's action. Taking action on that knowledge, which is power. Because if you have a bunch of knowledge and you're not taking action, then it is not really power, is it? So I believe that knowledge is power. I would like to try share my knowledge with others. So that's it. See, I'm sure you have a lot of knowledge that you could share with others as well. And he is actually a top expert, and he's just an internet researcher and wants to share his knowledge. See? So as we scroll down, you can see there's even more: internet researcher, teacher, librarian. So many different categories on here. Now, again, if you want to sign up, you're going to have to come here. As always, I will leave a link for this in the description below, so it's a little bit easier for you to check out. But you want to come here, go to register, and follow the sign up process. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.